Hey guys, it's MFG Cuber, and I will be doing an unboxing on the Pyraminx. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's just go and unbox this bad boy. Ooh, look at it. It looks so cool. So nice. Ooh, that's nice. Does it have some lube in it? Yeah, it does. And it's magnetic too. Let's see. So let's do a quick solve. Scramble it up. Okay. Okay, let's start solving. I just got this, so yeah. This is my first Pyraminx. I've only seen the Pyraminx one other time. So yeah. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. I like how it feels. It has a nice feel to it. So I can't wait to get some pretty good times with this. Well, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time in the next video. Bye!